DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man. We're there with another banger. Yeah, we're there with the teacher. You don't know the king of dancehall himself, the world boss himself. Yeah, another banger, the one named HotSpot. Check it out and swear dog David. Don't know Vybz Kartel is the best in the game, bro. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gotta go too much when it comes to Vybz Kartel and the world boss. But that song named HotSpot, we check it out, swear dog David. And I look at this one as a girl tune, cause see the girl them out, see that the girl them pop up on Shelly Belly. How I go on here so? We'll check it out. We're not gonna hold up with Vybz much longer, gang. Vybz Kartel, HotSpot.
No, sir. I want them hot girls you look for.
Then I must Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi no there. HotSpot there.
I will spot it there.
Right there, so. Right
Easy, no? Yeah. The bumbo clear. We HotSpot there, right? They say in my house, mama. In my room, they say the HotSpot there. Come get connected.
Girl, love how you bubble on the rhythm. Bet you say that is a very good fuck I go begin. You
Shelly Belly.
We not just so you do your thing. Boom pan the body like you set your pussy on a spring. Girl, love how you bubble on the rhythm. Bet you say that is a very good fuck I go begin. Yeah. You a feel we not just so you do your thing. Boom
I run out of house, I get 3 of them blood clean. Come here.
Pan the body like you set your pussy on a spring. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Yeah. Belly under pressure like you're the panda. Yeah. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi,
this a HotSpot. Come here. Yeah. Oh, the video is so short. The video just started done already. We are the cartel. We are the do it. Come on.
Fuck I go begin. You a feel we not just so you do your thing. Boom pan the body like you set your pussy on a spring.
Yeah.
Girl,
this is the tune.
Bubble pan the rhythm. Better say that is a very good fuck I go begin. You a feel we not just so you do your thing. Boom pan the body like you set your pussy on a
spring. Here I go now.
Spring back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the panda. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot.
Oh, I'm telling you, man, no Wi-Fi, there's a HotSpot, woman.
Up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the panda. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet. Back shot, arch your back. Heart attack, me balls are slack. Yeah. Water drop.
Yeah.
The fuck?
This is dancehall, man. Come on, yeah.
You want collapse.
Yeah.
Don't run off me, have your face a lock.
Yeah.
Pleasure with the pain, good for your brain.
Yeah.
Your body whole clean, you know have a shame.
Yeah.
Backers are nothing, no girl when I beard. She talk body girl, come down, go your ways.
Bala. Backers are nothing, no girl when I beard. She talk body girl, come down, go your ways, man. But man, what you mean? Shot fired, you see me? Bro, this the girl I saw in Thing There video and I thought it was Tanania. Yeah, she out here putting in work, bro. Who's we reacted to? She was in Skeng. Skeng new video we call a new girl tune they went drop, man. We call Never Problem.
The pain good for your brain. Your body whole clean, you know have a shame. Backers are nothing, no girl when I beard. She talk body girl, come down, go your ways. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the panda. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly
boy, Shelly Belly I doing thing now.
Under pressure like you're the panda. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. On your knee, our squad for me. Me master key, unlock your free. A twin they come, anyhow you breathe. You go miss your period, you no need to bleed.
Yeah.
Spread your two body jar like wings. Inna your
how the mama put in her work for all the end of dog. You see me? She pop up in a lot of more music videos.
We start give your money from ever since the tightest. All deserve the nice thing. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the panda. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a HotSpot. Cock up your
tune. I go, hey, Kartel. The ladies gonna love this one. It's a hardcore dancer here where the ladies can wind up themselves. Yo, them DJ and if you play them and
Body your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the diet. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot.
Oh, I'm to you.
Belly under pressure like you're the diet. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot.
Man, look to you know.
Up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the diet. Hard fuck make you can't keep quiet. Back shot.
Easy, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, the teacher. You see me, I say, big up Shelly Belly and the dancer, them. You see me, that girl, I saw her, she was in Skin new video, bro. You see me, that we just dropped the reaction to the other day, bro. You see me, I say, so she out here putting work. I guess we're gonna see her in more and more music videos. You see me, and she doing her thing. She look good too, you see me, and can dance. You see me? Yeah, man, na Spin. The song where Skin dropped here yesterday, Spin. Yeah, she was in it going crazy. I thought it was Tanania's first. Yeah, man. Big up Vybz Kartel, the teacher. The one named HotSpot. It's on a Wi-Fi. You see me? Yeah, man. Make you know that. Oh, my belly had that pressure like she dead on diet. Easy, you know? I don't know what time it is, gang. Drop your comments. Let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, visuals, all that good stuff. I like it. Go show the world boss all love and support, man. The teacher. You know what's that dancing over there? You see me? I said, make him keep the bangers coming. You see me? I said, yeah, man, gang. Yeah. So, let me know your favorite part. Drop your comments. Let's get a dialogue going. You already know what time it is, man. Song bad. Ladies gonna love that one for sure. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.